What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. My name is Andrew and you are watching Hot Wheels Dad.
Daddy, where's the button?
Today's video, I wanted to do something a little bit different. You guys have been asking for an analytic update. Since my last video when I posted my analytics, you guys have been wondering what has been going on with my YouTube channel. Now, August 14th, last month, I officially hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel, which allowed me to monetize. Now, it went through the approval process over the weekend and I actually went live Monday morning. August 17th was the first day I was actually monetized. I started making money on my videos. Updates are a day behind, so my most recent update is for September 17th. What that means is that I've officially been monetized for 1 full month. I didn't want to get on here and make you guys think or make you guys feel like I was bragging about the fact that I'm making money on YouTube. A lot of my subscribers, you guys, they are smaller channels. They are wanting to grow. I wanted to get on here. I wanted to inspire you guys. I wanted to let you guys know what you can expect once you reach that level of subscribers. I wanted to dive into my analytics. By all means, again, like I said, I do not want to get on here and brag. I want to just be here. I want to be present. I want to show you guys real world what I make on YouTube. So, having said that, my very first paycheck is going to be something very different. How YouTube works is you get paid from the previous months on or about the 20th or the 21st of each month. I have yet to get that first paycheck, but I do know what that paycheck is going to be based off of my AdSense account. So without going into a whole lot of details in what it takes in order to get paid on YouTube, you do have to have a Google AdSense account. And what that means is basically it tracks all of the ads that are played on your video. It tracks the amount that you're going to get, and then it actually pays you on the 20th or the 21st of every month. I wanted this video to be about what my 1 month total income is for YouTube and basically how much money I made in the 1 month of being monetized. Basically, I'm just going to be upfront. I'm going to give you guys that total right here. I made August 17th to September 17th, I made $370.46. What that means is that is partial AdSense, and that is also partial what I have received for my affiliate marketing. So I am an affiliate marketer for a few different companies. So I'm not gonna list all the companies that I'm an affiliate marketer for, but I do make an income based off of the affiliate marketing. I have posted a video way back, and I'll link it right here for you guys to see. Basically, you can make an income with a smaller account. Now, one of my buddies, Autoheads, he's actually killing it on this. He's an Amazon affiliate, which I'm also an Amazon affiliate, but he posted a video recently on his account. Go check him out. He's aspiring to be a YouTube. He's trying to grow his channel. Basically, he is following in my footsteps. I can see his channel growing. I can see it following same footsteps that my channel has followed. So he posts a lot about F-150. He is an awesome dude. He posted a video recently within the last few weeks that he officially made over $100 on his Amazon affiliate account. So props to him. That is so awesome. In fact, my Amazon affiliate, the most I actually made in a month is about $90. So I haven't even hit that $100 mark for Amazon. I usually do hit over 100 with all my other affiliates that I have going on, but definitely if you're a smaller channel, you can monetize yourself based off of affiliate marketing. So you guys, $370 in a 1 month period for being monetized on YouTube. I am so grateful for the fact that I can actually make money doing what I love doing. I really love getting these videos for you guys. I really love posting the content, getting things that you guys want to see, and it really, really is so special to me. So basically, here it is. I know $370 isn't a whole lot, but when you take into account that if you're doing the Amazon retail arbitrage, you're doing the YouTube, you're doing your regular job, you are hustling, you are really, really trying hard, you guys, you can make a ton of money, enough to be able to afford a supercar. I promise you guys, if you really work hard enough and you do something that you are extremely passionate about, it'll be something that it doesn't feel like work. If you find yourself really feeling down about life, about job, change it, you guys. Pick up a camera, start filming, start vlogging, start posting it on YouTube. I promise one day you will gain traction. And I'm not even where I want to be. I still want to continue to grow my channel. I want to get to 100,000 subscribers. I want to get to 1 million subscribers, one step at a time. I'm tackling the goals. I'm going after what I want to do in life, and this is where it has led me. So I can't thank you guys enough for always supporting me, really standing behind me, giving me the support and the love, giving me the thumbs up, subscribing to my channel. It is so rewarding to me, the fact that you guys are so supportive. So what did I want to show you? I wanted to show you a quick analytic report, basically for the 1 month. Here is my channel. All of this is just the ad revenue that I have made on YouTube, basically since I was officially monetized. So here we go, $207.80 in the 1 month. Today is August 18th. Like I said, the last update is for the 17th, which is yesterday. I'm making just around like $7, $8 for the views that I'm getting. And basically, so here's August 13th, 14th. That was the day I hit 1,000 subscribers. 15th, 16th, and then 17th, bam. My first day I made $4.09, and it has jumped from there. So a little bit about ad revenue on YouTube. Basically, you get paid for every 1,000 views that you get, and that's based off of your CPM right here. So CPM, my CPM is $11.83. That can vary based off of what your niche is. You can be an auto channel, you can be makeup, or family vlogging, or cooking, or whatever. So your CPM could be different based off of that amount. So basically, my CPM has raised since it actually first started in the first month. I will give you another update on where it heads, but basically $11.83 for every 1,000 views that I get. And if I go to an overview here, let's change this to a month, last 28 days, my channel gets about 26,000 views. And that's climbed since I actually had been monetized. That's jumped up about 1,500 per 28 days. I'm really looking forward to seeing the channel grow, where it's gonna go. This is basically just an update, 1 month being monetized on YouTube. I definitely will get more content for you guys on this. Like I mentioned in my video a few weeks ago, I wanna get you guys kind of like monthly updates on where it's at. This is 1 month, this is where it is. If this is something that you guys actually truly wanna see on a monthly basis, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Ask your questions. I can go deeper into the analytics, but so for now, that is 1 month of being monetized on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of my channel. If you like this content, please give me a subscribe. It really does help my channel out. It helps me grow. Like the video and share with the rest of your friends. I really would appreciate it. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace!
Oh, this is so awesome!
The looks we're gonna get in this car, you guys.
Oh,
Oh, that's awesome.